back to the next part of Tanzania. I'm gonna do the sides on the of the stone here. As you can see, if you can see, there aren't any, so you can't see them. But like any other good TV chef, I prepared and made the other side. So this is what we're going for. The sides here, and then these. I don't know what these are called, but the gold thingies. And the robin streaks, they're not done because I need to do some more stern work before I can go down and complete the entire thing. My cat is in the workshop with me today. So this is what we're going for on the other side. And I already have the pieces watered down and very flexible, so I'm gonna stop the commentary here, and I'm just gonna build and stop along the way and comment. Cheers! There we have the first piece. Just need to hold it here while the glue dries. And for those who are wondering why I use pins to hold it down, it's going to be planked here, so you're not going to see the pin marks of the pins. So that's why I'm using them. Otherwise, I wouldn't use them because you would see the pin marks. From the pins. So yeah, so I'm just gonna hold this until it dries, and then we go on to the next couple of pieces. So the pieces is on, and then we got these two pieces here, and actually the big one is gonna go down there, and the smaller one is gonna go up here to support the next windows. However, the piece that's going down here is way too big, and it was the same on the other side. So we need to modify this this piece to actually fit. As you can see, there is actually a nice little triangle kind of thing here going on here. So it's going to fit into that spot. So we need to modify this, and I'm just going to do that, and then I'll get back to you. So that was the last window frame. It's not completely on yet, as you can see. We need to bend it a little bit to match the edge of the plate here. Once that is done, I'm going to leave it to dry, give it a really good sand, and these things are going to be painted. Everything in the back end or the stern or the transom is going to be painted. So if you have small gaps or you need to do some touch-ups and whatever, I'm using putty because you're not going to see it because it's going to be painted anyway. So if I were you, I would go all in on using all the tricks that you know, so everything becomes really nice. It is one of the things that I painted is it is going to be standing out from the rest of the ship, so it's important for me that that everything's going to be everything's going to be really nice to look at, so I don't spare any means to make it look nice. So anyways, this is drying at the moment. Once the glue is ready, I can use the bender to bend it in place, and then we need to I can't remember where I put it. And then we need to put another piece on top, and then 2 extra pieces on top. Actually, it's going to be this one. It's going to be here. You have to prepare it a little bit, sand it so it fits, and on top of that, you're going to have 2 small extra pieces. So yeah. So let's wait for it for the glue to dry, and then bend it. So here is the last piece. Window piece is on, and I took the liberty of applying some putty between the windows to get rid of the cracks. So I'm just waiting for the putty to dry, and then I'm going to sand it and build the next stage on it. But while this dries, I'm going to bend some planks, because we need planks for the rubbing strakes. So I'm going to bend those and dye some as well with the walnut dye that I have. Hello again. So everything is dry now, and I've sanded it down, so it's nice and smooth, as you can see. So now we're gonna put on these I don't know what it's called, small ornament thingies that goes around, and then another one on top, and that will be the support for the for some ornaments that's gonna be here. Let me just show you some of these small ornaments. They're gonna sit on top of that, and they're gonna be gold. Well, obviously I can't show you now because it falls down, but all the way through down here, and again on this up here, just below the window. So these are the support for those. I don't know what they're called. So that's what we're going to do now, and then we need to paint everything blue, and then we need to mask off, and then we need to paint these gold as to the other side as well. As you can see, gold, and the top one up here is also gold. And once that is done, we can do the rubbing strakes on this side. I'm still figuring out how to end them down here, so I haven't completed the other side. As you can see, it stops here. It's only that one that goes up to this end here, and then the rest, I don't know if they might be bent around and upwards here, but it's only 2 or 3 planks that needs to be bent. So that's the idea. So I'm just gonna keep trucking on and glue these on. There we go. So these balcony thingies are glued on and done. So what we need to do now is that I just need to clean them up a little bit, and then I'm gonna paint it blue. I'm using Humbrol number 14 blue because I didn't have any navy blue specific to Santa Ana, but this one is really close. I don't know if you can get this anymore, but if you can, this is what I'm using. And I'm using a brush. I'm gonna paint it with a brush because my airbrush is faulty at the moment, so I need to get that fixed. So I'm using a brush and Humbrol 14. I'm painting it blue, and then I'm gonna give it a light sand and then paint it blue again, mask off and make these gold, and of course I'm gonna do the top part as well. But this is it for this time. Join me again for the next part, where we're gonna finish the top, and we're gonna put some robin streaks on as well. And once that is done, we can continue with the stone as well. We need to do the ornaments here, the decor here, and we need to put the extra back plate on. It's gonna be here, and we need to do the bottom of the stone as well. And there's a whole lot of painting and a whole lot of waiting, and we're gonna use small strips that we need to bend, and yeah, so it's gonna be some work. But join me for that for the next time. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, and please share, but most of all, just have fun watching this. Cheers, bye.